First, I plug the wireless CarPlay box into a USB power outlet. Then I grab my iPhone, turn on Wi-Fi, and connect it to the CarPlay box. Once it's connected, I open the Safari browser and type in this address. From there, I can adjust the Wi-Fi channel and tweak the audio delay settings. And yes, there's even an option to update the software online directly from this page. Super convenient.